grain. Okay, so pollen grain is unicellular, uninucleate, spherical or oval haploid structure. Okay, so what is the actual structure of pollen grain? They are unicellular, uninucleate, spherical or oval haploid structure. Okay, now pollen grains are actually double layered. That means it consists of two layers. First exine and second is the intine. So exine is the outer layer of the pollen grain. Okay, and inner layer is known as intine, and collectively both these layers is known as sporoderm. So this is the outer layer and outer layer is known as exine. Okay, this is the inner layer, it is known as the intine. Okay, and collectively it is known as sporoderm. Now it contains nucleus also. And exine is interrupted at one or more places which looks like a small pores. So these small pores are known as germ pores. Okay, now this is the structure of pollen grain. Now let us see one by one. Outer layer is known as exine. So exine is thick and highly resistant to pollen grain. Exine consists of sporopollenin, okay, which is formed by the layer of tapetum, which we studied earlier in the structure of anther. Okay, now what is the function of sporopollenin here? Sporopollenin provide resistance to pollen grain for biological and physical decomposition, from physical and biological decomposition. Okay, so once again, what is the function of sporopollenin? Sporopollenin provide resistance to pollen grain from physical and biological decomposition. Okay, now the layer of exine, it may be spiny. That means it looks like this. Okay, इस तरह की हमें लेयर अगर आउटर लेयर अगर दिखती है पोलन ग्रेन में, तो ये इंसेक्ट पॉलिनेटेड प्लांट का पोलन ग्रेन है. ओके, बिकॉज एज एन इंसेक्ट पॉलिनेटेड प्लांट द लेयर ऑफ एक्साइन इज मे बी स्पाइनी एंड और स्मूथ इन विंड पॉलिनेटेड प्लांट. ओके, विंड पॉलिनेटेड प्लांट में एक्साइन की लेयर स्मूथ रहेगी, इस तरह की स्पाइनी नहीं रहेगी. समझ में आया? नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द germ pores? When this layer is interrupted at one or more places, देखो 1, 2 and 3, so more than one or more places, then it looks like a small pores. So these small pores are known as a germ pores. So in monopod plants there are uniporate, pollen grains are uniporate, that means there is a single pore is present, and in dicot plant there are triporate. So अब हम यहाँ पर हमें कितने germ pores दिख रहे हैं? 3. That means it is the triporate. That means ये pollen grain किस plant का है? Dicot का है. Okay. Now inner layer is known as intine. Inner layer is known as a intine, and it composed of cellulose and pectin, and it encloses protoplasm with single haploid nucleus. So it is the structure of the pollen grain. Okay, so pollen grain में हमने क्या पढ़ा? Pollen grain में हमने पढ़ा कि it is double layered. That means it consists of outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is known as exine, inner layer is known as intine. It also consists of nucleus. Okay, then exine की layer ठीक होती है and it is highly resistant. Okay, then it consists of sporopollenin. So what is the function of sporopollenin? Sporopollenin provide resistance to pollen grain from physical and biological decomposition. Okay, now this sporopollenin is formed by the layer of tapetum. Okay, now what are the germ pores? When this exine layer is interrupted at one or more places, then it looks like a small pores. So these small pores are known as a germ pores. So in monocot, it is a uniporate, and in dicot, it is a triporate. Now the next layer is intine. Intine, inner layer of the pollen grain, and it is composed of cellulose and pectin, and it encloses protoplasm with single haploid nucleus. There is a protoplasm with single haploid nucleus. Okay, so our another topic is development of male gametophyte. Now let us see about the development of male gametophyte. Now let us see about the development of male gametophyte. Okay, so here what we learn actually in the development of male gametophyte, by the pollen grain there is the formation of pollen tube. Okay, like when seeds are converted into the seedlings, so it is known as seed germination. Like here the germination of pollen grain takes place and pollen tube is formed. But when pollen tube is formed, then it will also form male gametophyte. So how this process takes place? Let us see here. Okay, first of all, this development of male gametophyte is endosporic. That means what? It will takes place within the pollen grain or within the microspore, because endo means in and sporic means spore. So microspore, it will takes place or it is takes place in microspore. Then it involves two mitotic divisions only. मतलब इस पूरे प्रोसेस में दो बार माइटोसिस होने वाला है, and it is completed in two stages at different places. So there is a first stage and it is known as before pollination in the pollen sac, and second stage is known as after pollination on the stigma. So let us continue with the first stage, before pollination in the pollen sac. When pollen grain is still enclosed within the pollen sac, then what happens here? Cytoplasm of this pollen grain divide mitotically and it will form two cells. But these two cells are unequal. That means what? One cell is smaller and one cell is larger. So smaller cell is known as generative cell and larger cell is known as vegetative cell. Generative cell contain larger nucleus. Like vegetative cell also consists of larger nucleus. Generative cell contain thin cytoplasm, but it lacks reserved food material and vacuole. Okay, but vegetative cell has reserved food and vacuole. Then it also lacks definite cell wall, but vegetative cell wall is present and is freely suspended in the vegetative cell. So in most of the angiosperms, there are formation of two male gametes. Okay, but or in some of the angiosperms there are three cell stage is developed. Okay, now here generative cell is very important, because second mitotic division is concerned with the generative cell only. Okay, so what happened in second division. Or now let us see about the second stage, which is known as after pollination on the stigma. Now what happened after pollination? So when pollen grain is transferred to the stigma, then what happened here? Stigma consists of sugary substance, and this sugary substance is absorbed by the pollen grain. So due to the absorption of sugary substance, volume of cytoplasm is increases, and due to the increasing volume of cytoplasm, the wall of intine stretch, and due to the wall of intine stretch, it comes out of the jump over in the form of pollen tube. Okay, so in the pollen tube there is a tube nucleus, cytoplasm and generative cell, all are migrated. So these pollen tube now grow downward towards the ovary through the style due to the chemical stimulus inside the ovary. Now here the generative cell divide by mitotically in the pollen tube, and it will form two haploid non-motile male gametes. Okay, so these are the haploid gametes. So finally here in this pollen tube there are two haploid male gametes, then there is a thin cytoplasm and degenerating vegetative nucleus. Okay, so this is the development of male gametophyte. So it represents the male gametophyte. Okay, that means male gametophyte में क्या क्या होगा? Male gametophyte में होंगे two male gametes, thin cytoplasm and degenerating sterile vegetative nucleus. So it is represented as male gametophyte, and it is a highly reduced structure. Okay, so that means in the development of male gametophyte, remember all those points, but there are some important points. And what are they? pollen grain में pollen tube का formation हो रहा है. क्यों हो रहा है? Because ये pollen tube कहाँ तक जाने वाली है? ओवरी तक जाने वाली है, ओव्यूल के अंदर जाने वाली है. For what purpose? For the transfer to male gametes, because these male gametes are non-motile. Okay, जैसे कि ह्यूमन स्पर्म्स मोटाइल होते हैं, वो खुद ओवम तक पहुंचते हैं, बट यहाँ पर ये मेल गैमेट्स नॉन मोटाइल है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर फॉर्मेशन होता है पोलन ट्यूब का. सो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पोलन ट्यूब. ओके, एंड दिस मेल गैमेटोफाइट इज डेवलप्ड. सो therefore this stage is very important. Then माइटोसिस होता है कितने बार? 2 बार. पहली बार कहाँ हुआ? जब यहाँ पोलन ग्रेन का साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड हुआ और यहाँ पर 2 सेल्स फॉर्म हुए, एक वेजिटेटिव सेल, सेकेंड जनरेटिव सेल. देन सेकेंड माइटोटिक डिवीजन में जनरेटिव सेल डेवलप होता है, और जब जनरेटिव सेल डेवलप होता है तब यहाँ पर क्या फॉर्म होंगे? मेल गैमेट्स फॉर्म होंगे, और ये डिवीजन कहाँ पर होगा? इन द पोलन ट्यूब. ओके, so it is all over about the development of male gametophyte. Okay, thank you. Stay home and stay safe.